We can work with them. After we roast them, we can break the cocoa beans easily. I mean, we just put a little force in our fingers and we can separate the part that is inside the shells from what is. And we're going to separate the shells from the part that is inside. This is the part that is inside, and this is our main material to make chocolate.
It smells very strong.
And with the shells, we make the cocoa tea, the chocolate tea, just with the shells. And the part that is inside, actually, you can eat it. It's cocoa bean, it's coconut itself, pure cocoa base itself. So you can eat it if you want. It's really bitter and sour, but it's really good if you try.
Yeah, I'll eat one of those.
I have one.
So you just take it
Yeah.
and you pop it open.
Tomato.
Yeah, people have Oh,
Really bitter.
don't eat it. It's bitter?
Really bitter.
Really bitter.
Bitter. Really bitter.
Okay.
Just learn from a mistake.
Okay. It's really bitter.
Yes.
Okay, I'll just.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
You can take it as a souvenir.
Yes.
Did you eat?
Okay, so nope. She said it was too bitter, so I figured I'd.
Actually, that's the real cocoa paste. That's real chocolate.
Oh.
With that mix, we are going to mix it with sugar and milk. That, when we melt that and it gets colder, it forms like this, okay? And this cocoa paste, it has two organic components. It has the cocoa powder,
Look over here,
and the
Kashmir.
cocoa butter.
Can you show that to her?
The cocoa powder gives the natural color to the chocolate.
This is what it is. This is how chocolate is made, okay?
These two forms that.
Do you see how these two are? They come from this thing here, which comes from the cocoa bean. Oh my God, she's eating it. And she's like, oh my gosh, boy, this is horrible. You can throw it out if you don't want to eat that.
Right here.
We have the dash there.
Yeah.
Some people like it, some people don't. It's normal.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. Ooh, it's pretty fierce, isn't it? Ooh.
I told her.
Do you have a napkin?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I warned you guys.
I didn't.
She didn't listen to me.
She didn't listen to your warning. She wanted to try it for herself. She's a little Miss Scientist. She likes to experiment. You want to clean your tongue with this? You can clean your tongue if you want.
Okay.
Okay, so those are the two things that come out.
Yes, the cocoa butter, we can make a white chocolate or beauty products, for example.
Oh, that's where the white chocolate comes from.
Yes, the cocoa butter. It's natural fat of the cocoa bean, actually. And with this also we can make creams or cocoa butter for the lip, for example. To illustrate the lip.
Okay.
So to make a chocolate bar, we only need sugar and milk. We have here, example, 3 different kinds of chocolates. We have the first one is the bitter chocolate or the dark chocolate because it has more percentage of cocoa paste and there's sugar. We have the middle one, which is milk chocolate because it only has it has milk powder to make the chocolate more sweet. And the last one is white chocolate because we only use the cocoa butter to make it. We don't use the cocoa powder. The cocoa powder gives the natural color to the chocolate. If we take out the cocoa powder, it just stays white.
That's the one I like. I guess I realize I don't like the
I have
cocoa.
samples later, so.
Yay,
Let me
okay.
finish this.
Okay.
Little too.
All right.
So we are going to mix the ingredients in a special machine that is going to work with them for about more than 22 hours. And after 22 hours passed, we are going to make a final process that is called the tempering. Tempering means give the chocolate these changes of temperature between hot, cold, and hot to make the chocolate look nice.
It smells really chocolate.
A non-tempering chocolate is like this. Non-tempering, doesn't have brightness. To avoid that, we have to alternate the temperatures of the chocolate. We have to make the chocolate hot, cold, and hot.
And you get the dark, smooth, dark chocolate.
Have it. And after we alternate the temperatures of the chocolate will look like this. Better, actually.
Oh.
Claudia, qué molestosa.
Oops, sorry.
Qué molestosa, ya vete una vez. Well, this is not kind of really good. Maybe it's from the heat that is here. Is kind of alternated temperatures.
Okay.
I have to change it.
Okay.
I have to change.
Okay. So
And,
that's
well,
a white chocolate.
Yes, and that's all the process to make a chocolate bar. And then we can put it in molds and we can sell it to the store. We
Oh.
already tasted the cocoa tea. I have some samples of. Yeah, this is the sum up of everything.
That's a cool picture.
I mean, sticking my joke.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, I know. I feel much better now.